So hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj, and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 917, reverse only letters. So the question here is, given a string S, reverse this string according to the following rules. All the characters that are not English letters remains in the same position. All the English letter, lowercase or uppercase, should be reversed. Return S after reversing it. So what the question wants to say is here that we have been given a string S, and what we have to do that if the character in the string is a non-alphabetic character, so we have to intact it with the place where it belongs, and other than that, if it is a alphabetical character, then we have to reverse it from starting to the end. As we can see in the example number 1, the input here is AB dash CD. So we have just reversed the CD with AB, and the place of the dash, or we can say hyphen, is as it is in the as the original string. So again we can see in the example number 2 that A hyphen BC hyphen DEF hyphen GHIJ. So the non-alphabetical characters are at the same place, whereas the alphabetical characters are being reversed. So what we can do is we can apply a 2 pointer so that we can properly reverse the values of the string. So the first pointer will be at the left side of the, or we can say the would be at the initial value of the string, and the second pointer will be at the right side, or we can say the last position of the string. So first of all, we'll define that. We'll have int left that is equal to 0, as 0 is the first character, first index of any character, and int right that would be the last character, equal to last character of the string. We have to do -1 here, as the indexes start with the 0. Now after that, what we do here is we'll have a while loop in which we'll say left is less than right, now we'll just use the keyword swap, which will just swap the characters where the both pointers will be facing, such as if the pointer left, which is at 0, and if the pointer right that is at the last character, it will just swap that. So we'll write here s of left and s of right, and increment the value of left and decrease the value of right. But before that, we'll have another while loop which will check in both the pointers that whether the character that is in the string is an alphabet or not. So we have a while loop in which we'll have the conditions in like up left is less than right, and we'll have another condition also, that is if the character is not an alphabet s of left. For this, we are checking we are checking the condition from the left pointer. So if the character is not an alphabet, we'll just skip that character and leave it in the place where it is, and we'll just increment the value of left. Again, we'll have a same while loop, but this time we'll check from the right pointer, and if it is not an alphabet, we'll just decrease the value of right so that it will skip the non-alphabetical character there. And yes, that is all for this code part. Now we'll just return the value of s. Now we'll see that it passes all the test cases, and yes, it passes all the test cases here. Now we'll submit the question. So the question is successfully submitted, and that was all for this question. Thank you.